Welcome back to Kiran's English Hub. In the previous video, we had completed 6th class Unit 1 Reading A, and in this video, we shall go through Reading B, Poem, that is I Want Peace, and Reading C as well, that is Grand Contest in the Forest. Let us move to the next slide. Yeah, here you can see the title I Want Peace. So before we could start the poem, we shall just see who is the speaker of this poem. Okay, so before I'm telling you that here directly the earth is the speaker. Okay, the earth is asking for peace, and you can also see people of different religions, different sects, different colors, and different professions looking very sad. Okay, so something had happened. Let us see what is that. And the earth is speaking to us directly, and it is asking for some help. Let us see what does it want, and let us see what is the situation of the earth. Okay, let us go through the poem. I want peace. I am big and round. I wonder if there will be peace. I hear the sound of people who are being killed. I see the people crying for life. I want to help the poor people. Okay, in the first line itself, we see I am big and round. So, what is big and round? Earth is big and round. In the examination, you will get the question what is big and round according to the poem. Okay, here I in the sense the earth. Okay, so the earth is big and round. I wonder if there will be peace. Okay, what is it asking for? The earth is asking for peace. I hear the sound of people who are being killed. I see the people crying for life. Okay, so what is the earth saying here? The earth is saying, witnessing here, seeing in the sense witnessing many people who are being killed or different reasons, and it also sees people who are crying for life in the sense crying to live. Okay, those who don't want to die and live. So it is finally asking for help. Okay, so I want to help the poor people. Okay, the earth wants to help the poor people, all those who are being killed and all those who are crying for their lives. The second stanza, I am big and round. I feel the weight of sorrow on me. I touch the feelings of the people. I worry about the future of the people on me. I cry for help from God. Okay, in the second stanza first line, again it is starting with I am big and round. Okay, what is it? Big and round again, the earth is big and round. I feel the weight of sorrow on me. Okay, so the earth is feeling the weight of sorrow. Okay, sorrow in the sense sadness, crying. Okay, I touch the feelings of the people. Okay, it feels and touches the feelings of the people who are crying for help. I worry about the future of the people on me. Okay, earth is worrying about the future of the people who are living on the earth. Okay, next I cry for help from God, and finally the earth is also asking help from God. So we can just see the composer of the poem wants to tell all the world that the earth is in danger. Next, if you move on to the third stanza, again we see the opening line as I am big and round. Next, I understand the problems of the people on me. I say grace for all people. Okay, so the earth understands the problems of the people, and it also says grace for all the people. In the sense, it is hoping for the kindness. It is showing some kindness on all the people who are in the problems. Next, I dream about my past. I try to handle my sorrow. Okay, so now if you think that earth is speaking to directly, in the olden days there were many wars, there was bloodshed wars, and the earth was completely with blood in olden days. Of course many other countries and other places were filled with, usually say, as milk and honey. Of course that is not. And there were many sorrows, many people were being killed for the achievements of kingdoms. So now the earth is remembering all its past, the earth is remembering all its past sorrow. Okay, so it is dreaming about its past, and it is trying to handle my sorrow, in the sense handling its sorrow, in the sense controlling its tears. Okay, controlling its sorrow. Okay, whenever the earth remembers of its olden days, okay, all those olden days were completely full of sorrow, and now earth is controlling its tears whenever it remembers those olden days. Next, I hope I won't be destroyed. I am big and round. What is it hoping? It is hoping that it won't be destroyed because it is big and round. Okay, so of course, as the children, as the students of our country, it is also our duty to protect earth in the sense protect the people, protect the society, protect the nations, and protect the world, as well as that becomes as protecting the earth. Okay, dear children, next we shall move forward. Yeah, so we have got some project that you will do in the school. That's good. Next, if you move on to the reading C. Yeah, so the title of C reading is Grand Contest in the Forest. So it is another beautiful and lovable story. Let us get into it very quickly. So I will go on reading and explaining. Be attentive. So we see the first stanza there. The animals, birds, and trees were excited. They began to prepare for the great day when they would give their best to the great one, except the little gray squirrel. Okay, it is directly given directly to the in the middle of the story, and in the middle of the story, all the animals, birds, trees were excited. Okay, excited in the sense they were very interested and waiting for someone. Okay, to see, and they begin to prepare for the great day. It is like a festival there, okay, a festive day when they would give their best to the great one, best in the sense any gift to the great one, in the sense to the goddess who is going to come. Okay, so except the little gray squirrel. Okay, you all know the little gray squirrel. Okay, the small one, the small little animal. Okay, so this small little gray squirrel is not having any great gift or any good gift to give to the great one on that particular occasional day. Let us see what happens further. So there was excitement in the air. There was going to be a grand contest. Everyone should show something special, and the best would be praised by the lords of fire, wind, water, and sun. The animals and trees began preparations. So there was excitement in the air. So everybody was preparing for this grand contest. Okay, it is just like contest. Okay, so everyone should give their speciality, and they should also give their best in whatever they are giving. So the one who gets the prize will be praised by the lords of fire, lords of wind, lords of water, and lords of sun. So all the animals started preparations. Okay, all the animals started to bring a beautiful gift to the great one. Let us see what happened further. I'll shine like sparkling sunshine, said the laburnum. My flowers will look like golden raindrops. Okay, so what did the laburnum say? It said, I shine like sparkling sunshine. Okay, you see the sparkling sunshine, spark in the sense shining, sunshine, and my flowers will look like golden raindrops. So just imagine the golden raindrops. Okay, so it is very beautiful in one way. Next, the Glaumer said, the Gulmore said, I will dress myself so that I look like an early morning sun, golden red, spreading radiance. Okay, it is also ready with, making some type of fancy dress here, okay, to attract the grand one. Next, the Gulmer said, I will dress myself so that I look like the early morning sun, golden red, spreading radiance. That's all. Next, I offer I'll offer the best honey I can find, shouted the bear. Okay, bear, this honey is the most delicious food for bear. Okay, so the bear said that I will find best honey in the forest. Moving on to the next page. Yeah, so look at the picture here. So the animal, peacock, and the squirrel, this elephant, squirrel, they are just discussing about the grand contest. So the elephant said, I will get the best fruit, so fresh it would still be on the branches, and lay them at her feet. So the elephant is also ready with some gift. What is the gift? The elephant is ready with the fruits. Okay, it wanted to bring some fresh fruit directly from the tree and present it to the great one and at her feet. Next, everyone had something beautiful or wonderful to offer on that great day. Okay, all the animals on that particular day planned to offer very best thing. Next, everyone except a little gray squirrel who talked sadly to himself. What does a little gray squirrel with black strips have to offer? So now all the animals in the forest have very much beautiful presents to present to the great one, except the little gray squirrel. So it is speaking to himself, saying, what does a little gray squirrel with black strips have to offer? Okay, so it is saying, I see I am very little, and I'm not very beautiful also. Peacock is saying I'm very beautiful. It has no beauty. It is just in gray color, gray strips and all. So it is speaking to himself, I'm not beautiful and I cannot bring fruits, flowers, all these things. So what shall I do? The Palash said, the forest will be ablaze with my beauty. Thought late, though late, I will save some flowers. Okay, the Flash also finally said, it's another character. So it said the forest will be ablaze with my beauty. Though late, I will save some flowers. So it wanted to decorate itself with flowers. Next, and though early, I will make some flowers bloom. Snapped the Gulmore. Okay, Gulmore is adding some more flavor to his, his gift. Okay, what did he say? Though early, I will make some flowers bloom. Okay, blooming in the sense, no? Yeah, right. Next, the beautiful trees and creatures had started competing and fighting. The mangoes are ready, announced the mango tree. Okay, finally the mango tree also is ready with mangoes. Next, the peacock said, emeralds and turquoises are my feathers. Okay, so peacock is also very beautiful, which is with the different shapes on its feathers, which are like just like emeralds and shining shapes. Next, the lark thrilled. Okay, the lark thrilled. Okay, and it said, I'll sing a song beautiful and moving. Okay, so it has a gift. And what is that gift? The lark's gift, it will sing a song which is beautiful and while moving. Okay, moving the body. Next, the dove cooed, saying the great one would be love her soft voice, soft notes. Okay, dove. Okay, you all know the bird dove, right? So what did it say? It said the great one would love her soft notes in the sense soft voice, not the notes which you write. Okay, soft voice. Next, gifts and beauty abound in the sense plenty, thought the squirrel in despair. Okay, so the squirrel is thinking everybody is having great gifts. Okay, there are many gifts to present to the other animals, to the great one, but I don't have anyone. Next, he thought and thought, but I will do what I can do my best, he decided. So finally, the squirrel decided something. It said, okay, fine, everybody is ready with their gift, but what can I do? I'm little one, so I will do whatever I will do. I will do my best in it. So he found hollow branches and filled them with as many nuts and seeds of different trees as he could find. So hollow is a tree. Okay, so he found out that branches and filled them with as many nuts and seeds of different trees as he could find. He started to fill all those branches with many nuts and seeds, as many nuts as he finds and as many as seeds it finds. He started to fill all those seeds and nuts into that branches. Let us see what happened further. The next day, everyone was ready. The great one came. The air became soft and balmy. The streams tinkled as they tumbled over little rocks. So see the situation, very beautiful situation in the forest. So the next day, the final contest day has come. So the great one also came. Okay, you can see in the screen just like goddess. Okay, so the air becomes soft and balmy. Okay, in the sense very soft. Okay, very like it is like feather. Okay, moving over your skin. The streams tinkled as they stumble over little rocks. Okay, tinkle in the sense making some, small noises. For example, if you don't just look at the flowing water and if you just only listen to the water sound, okay, that is just called as tinkling. Okay, tinkling all little rocks. Okay, when they fall on the rocks, it makes that tinkling sound. Next, the great one is here. Here, the great one, here is my gift, said each other, laying gifts at her feet. So everyone one by one on, they are coming in line and they are, just laying their gifts at her feet. After everyone had given their gifts, the great one looked at the little gray squirrel and asked, little one, why are you quiet? Okay, so everybody has given all the gifts in the forest to the great one. And finally this little squirrel is, with a little shame, okay, because it feels that it has very low quality gift, okay. So it is just sitting in the corner, and this great one looked at the little squirrel and said, "Hey squirrel, what happened to you? Don't you have any gift to give me? Why are you so quiet?" "So I have nothing grand to offer you. I don't glow or sing, but what I have, I give with my heart." And he scampered away. Okay, so just see, look here. I have nothing grand to, or grand in the sense very great one. Okay, very valuable one. Okay, so I don't have that type of gifts, but and also I don't glow or sing. Glow in the sense shining. Okay, I don't glow or sing, but whatever I have, I will give with my full of heart. Okay, so he just scampered in the sun, just jumping here and there. Okay, just like limping. Next, he returned the dragging his dry branches. The great one looked grave. Okay, dear. So when he went back, he came back with the dry branches, okay, and also the squirrel was dragging those branches, and the great one looked gray. Okay, he was a little bit confused. Next, i see I see beauty in form and sound. All waited holding their breath, but the prize goes to the gray squirrel, for I can use the seeds and sow them. New life will burst forth, trees will bear more fruits. It is a gift not only for today but also for all our tomorrows. Okay, now the little gray squirrel brought that shallow branches, and now the great one started speaking. What did he start? How did he start? He said, "I see beauty in form and sound." Okay, all waited. So when he started speak like that, all the waiting. Okay, of course I see very much beauty in form and sound. Form in the sense appearance. Okay, peacock's appearance and the sounds that different birds sang. Okay, everything was fine, but the prize goes to the gray squirrel. Why? For it can use the grand one can use the seeds, sow them in the sense putting in the soil, and new life will burst forth. Okay, the seeds will grow and the trees will bear more fruits, so that not only for today but also for many other years more to come, it will be more useful. Okay, so the unknown gift, okay, the very sad gift which is made by squirrel has won the first prize in the contest. See, so the creatures then marvel, saying, "How foolish we were to think only of the present." Three cheers for the little squirrel. So all the animals were very happy. And what did they say? Marveled in the sense, praising it. Okay, praising it. What did they say? They said that how foolish we were. Okay, see, we did not think of the future, we thought only of the present. Let us cheer in the sense just like clapping that we do in the classrooms. Okay, let us clap for the little gray squirrel. So my dear students, whenever you are presenting something, okay, whenever you are going to do some type of work, whenever you are going to present some type of experiment, do not think of the best. Okay, you just complete your presence, you give your presence, okay, give your presentation as best as you can. Okay, and the result of course will be on your side, because you are going to do it full of your art. Okay, don't think that this guy is doing more better than me, that guy is doing better than me. Don't ever go for that. Whatever the little small thing you are doing in your daily life, do it as your best one. So with this small moral note, I'm going to end my lesson, and this units 1 grammar will be made in the next video. So those who still did not subscribe, please do subscribe it and share to your best friends, neighbors, relatives, and like if you like the video. So God bless. See you. Bye.